The CU Denver Financial Aid and Scholarships Office is thrilled to have you join us this fall. We created this tutorial to support you in learning about the key aspects of your planning sheet. We understand you and your family are making important decisions, so have provided you with an estimate of your financial aid award and cost for your first year of schooling. We'll begin offering official financial aid awards this coming spring. The financial aid planning sheet has two aspects: your estimated financial aid award and your cost of attendance. An estimated award can include gift aid, self-help aid, and a parent option. The chart included with your award summarizes the percentages of each type of aid included in your estimate. Your estimated award may include grants, scholarships, work study, and student and parent loans. We refer to grants and scholarships as gift aid because they typically do not have to be repaid. Grants are often based on need, while scholarships are based on merit and may or may not be based on need. We determine your financial need by reviewing your cost of attendance and your FAFSA, or free application for federal student aid. Work study and student loans are considered self-help aid. If you're awarded work study, it's like an invitation to search for a job, apply, and if offered a position, earn an hourly wage while working part-time. Work study is a great option for students to earn money to pay for expenses throughout the term. Student and parent loans are borrowed money that must be repaid with interest. The parent option includes the Parent Plus loan, which is a credit-based loan available to parents of dependent students. To be considered for the loan, a student's parent must not have adverse credit. Your cost of attendance is an estimate of the expenses we anticipate you'll have in your first year of school and includes estimates of your direct and indirect costs. Direct costs include items billed by the university, such as tuition, fees, and on-campus housing. Indirect costs include expenses you may incur, such as books and supplies, off-campus housing, and transportation, health, and personal expenses. Your cost of attendance is not a bill, but a guide we use to determine the amount of aid to offer you. On your planning sheet, we provided a summary of your direct and indirect costs. After gift aid and student loans are subtracted from your direct costs, you'll either have aid remaining to apply towards your indirect costs, or you'll have a balance owed. If you have a balance owed, common options family use to cover direct costs include a parent loan or university payment plan. As you'll see in our example, Milo is estimated to have $11,195 in direct costs and $12,295 in gift aid. We estimate Milo to have $1,100 in gift aid remaining to apply towards indirect costs, such as books and off-campus housing. Milo is estimated to have $12,312 in indirect costs. After we apply the remaining gift aid, as well as $5,212 in student loans, Milo has $6,000 of unmet costs. It's important to remember that each student's indirect costs will vary. For example, some students may rent textbooks or purchase used books, so their expenses for books may be lower than what we estimate. Milo could use work study or parent loan we offered to help fund unmet indirect costs. Not all students will have direct costs funded by gift aid and student loans. In this case, the planning sheet will indicate a balance owed after gift aid and loans are applied. Options to fund unmet direct costs include the Parent Plus loan, as well as our university payment plan. Options to help fund unmet indirect costs include work study and the Parent Plus loan. We're here to help you now and throughout your time as a student. If we may answer any questions, please contact us or schedule an appointment with one of our advisors.